Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery, and in today's video we were going to pick the winner of September's giveaway. I closed it a day early this month, guys, because it's Friday today and it's my birthday tomorrow, so I won't be around over the weekend. So yeah, so let's just refresh what I'm giving away this month. So I asked everybody to leave the word universe, and you get 4 I think they're 100 grams, yeah, 98 acrylic, 2% polyester, 462 meters, 505 yards, and you get 4 of them, and there's enough there to make a poncho, to make a shawl. You might even get 2 shawls out of this, guys. Yeah, so you get 4 of these, and as I always do with my giveaways, I always give a few notions. So you get this little swan book, a little box of stitch markers, a pen, a vial that's got 2 tapestry hooks, and you get a 4mm crochet hook in this one. So yeah, so should we go across to the computer and pick the winner? Good luck everybody, and before I say go anywhere, I just want to say thank you to everybody for entering. I wish you all good luck, my fingers are crossed, and let's make our way to the computer. So as you can see, I'm on the video and I've actually highlighted the URL. I've pasted the URL into there, as you can see. So let's go down and filter duplicate users, filter comment, and the comment was universe. And then I've got to do the there's some. Let's see how many comments we've got, guys. Let's see how many comments. 224. Ooh. So let's move across to the start. I wish each and every one of you good luck, and thank you for entering. There we go, guys. Dee Dee O'Donnell, happy birthday month. Love the Hobie Universe Yarny goodness. Thank you for the lovely giveaway. Good luck everyone. Bless you and your family. Thank you so much, Dee Dee. Now you all know you need to be a subscriber, so let me go and check that Dee Dee is actually a subscriber. And unfortunately, I am going to stop it here because I don't want to share with everybody who she's subscribed to, and I'll come back when I've found myself. Here I am, guys. So Dee Dee is in fact subscribed to me. So congratulations, Dee Dee. Yay, Dee Dee. Dee Dee O'Donnell, congratulations. You must email me at this address. I've put it here. You've got 7 days to contact me. If you've not contacted me within 7 days, you will forfeit the prize and I will pick another winner. So yay, congratulations, and thank you to everybody who enters all my giveaways. As you know, every first Tuesday of every month I have a giveaway, and the next giveaway, guys, will be live on the 4th of October. Can you believe we're nearly at the end of our of 2022? It's not been a it's not been a fantastic year, has it really? But hey, I hope it's been a good one for you. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.